Section 8. Narada said, O Yudhishthira, I shall now describe the assembly house of Yama, the son of Vivasvat, which was son of Pritha, was built by Vishwakarma. Listen now to me, bright as burnished gold. That assembly house, O monarch, covers an area of much more than 100 yojanas. Possessed of the splendor of the sun, it yieldeth everything that one may desire, neither very cool nor very hot. It delighteth the heart. In that assembly house there is neither grief nor weakness of age, neither hunger nor thirst. Nothing disagreeable findeth a place there, nor any kind of evil feelings there. Every object of desire, celestial or human, is to be found in that mansion, and all kinds of enjoyable articles, as also of sweet, juicy, agreeable, and delicious edibles, in profusion, that are liked, sucked, and drunk are there. O chastiser of all enemies, the floral wreaths in that mansion are of the most delicious fragrance, and the trees that stand around it yields fruits that are desired of them. There are both cold and hot waters, and these are sweet and agreeable. In that mansion many royal sages of great sanctity, and Brahmana sages also of great purity, cheerfully wait upon, O child, and worship Yama, the son of Vivasvat, and Yayati, Nahusha, Puru, Mandatri, Somaka, Nriga, the royal sage, Trasadasyu, Kritavirya, Sautasravas, Arishtanemi, Siddha, Kritavega, Kriti, Nimi, Pratardana, Sivi, Matsya, Pritulaksha, Brihadvrata, Varta, Maruta, Kushika, Sankasya, Sankriti, Dhruva, Chaturasva, Sadaswaromi, and King Kartavirya, Bharata, and Surata, Sunita, Nisata, Nala, Divodasa, and Sumanas, Ambarisha, Bhagirata, Vyasva, Vadrasva, Prituvega, Pritusravas, Prishadasva, Vasumanas, Kshupa, and Sumahavala, Rishadku, and Rishasena, Purukutsa, Dvajin, and Ratin, Arshitisena, Dvilipa, and the high-souled Vushinara, Ausinari, Pundarika, Saryati, Sarava, and Suchi, Anga, Rishta, Vena, Dushmanta, Srinjaya and Jaya, Bangasuri, Sunita, and Nishada, and Bahinara, Karandama, Valhika, Sudimna, and the mighty Madhu, Aila, and the mighty king of earth, Maruta, Kapota, Trinaka, and Sahdeva, and Arjuna also, Vyasa, Vaisava, Sasva, and Krisva, and King Sasabindu, Rama, the son of Dasharatha, and Lakshmana, and Pratardana, Alarka, and Kakshasena, Gaya, and Gaurasva, Rama, the son of Jamadagnya, Nabaga, and Sagara, Bhuridhyumna, and Mahaswa, Pritaswa, and also Janaka, King Vainya, Varisena, Purujit, and Janamejaya, Brahmadatta, and Trigarta, and the king Uparichara, also Indradhyumna, Bhimajanu, Gaurapristha, Nala, Gaya, Padma, and Machukunda, Bhuridhyumna, Prasenajit, Aristanemi, Sudaimana, Pritulausva, and Ashtaka also, 100 kings of the Matsya race, and 100 of the Vipa, and 100 of Aya races, 100 kings of the name of Dhritarashtra, 8 kings of the name of the Janamejaya, 100 monarchs called Brahmadatta, and 100 kings of the name of Iri, more than 200 Bhishmas, and also 100 Bhimas, 100 Prithivindhyas, 100 Nagas, and 100 Palasas, and 100 called Kasa and Kusa, that king of kings Santanu, and thy father Pandu, Usangava, Satarata, Devaraja, Jayadratha, the intelligent royal sage, Vrishadharva with his ministers, and 1,000 other kings known by the name of Sasavindu, and who have died, having performed many grand horse sacrifices with large presents to the Brahmanas. These holy royal sages of grand achievements and great knowledge of the Shastras wait upon, O king, and worship the son of Vivasvat in that assembly house, and Agastya, and Matanga, and Kala, and Mrityu, death, performers of sacrifices, the Siddhas, and many yogins, the Pitris belonging to the classes called Gnishvatas, Fenapa, Ushmapa, Swadavat, and Varishada, as also those others that have forms, the wheel of time, and the illustrious conveyor himself of the sacrificial butter, all sinners among human beings, as also those that have died during the winter solstice. These officers of Yama, who have been appointed to count the allotted days of everybody and everything, the Singspa, Palasa, Kasa, and Kusa and plants in their embodied forms. These all, O king, wait upon and worship the God of justice in that assembly house of his. These and many others are present at the Sabha of the king of Pitris. Means, so numerous are they that I am incapable of describing them either by mentioning their names or deeds. O son of Pita, a delightful assembly house, moving everywhere at the will of its owner, is of wide extent. It was built by Vishwakarman after a long course of ascetic penances, and O Bharata, resplendent with his own effulgence, it stands glorified in all its beauty. Sannyasis of severe ascetic penance, of excellent vows, and of truthful speech, peaceful and pure and sanctified by holy deeds of shining bodies, and attired in spotless robes, decked with bracelets and floral garlands, with earrings of burnished gold, and adorned with their own holy acts, as with the marks of their order, painted over their bodies, constantly visit that Sabha assembly. Many illustrious Gandharvas and many Apsaras fill every part of that mansion with music, both instrumental and vocal, and with sounds of laughter and dance. And O son of Pritha, excellent perfumes and sweet sounds and garlands of celestial flowers always contribute towards making that mansion supremely blessed, and hundreds of thousands of virtuous persons of celestial beauty and great wisdom always wait upon and worship the illustrious Yama, the Lord of created beings, in that assembly house. Such, O monarch, is the Sabha of the illustrious king of the Pitris. I shall now describe unto the assembly house of Varuna, also called Pushkara Malini. Thus ends the 8th section in the Lokapala Sabhakyana Parva of Sabha Parva.